Hey guys, welcome. Welcome 2018 and welcome you all. Thanks so much for tuning into this video. I'm here to actually wish you guys a happy new year to you and your family, and hope this year is an amazing year for all of us, and hope all our dreams come true, and hope we make even more better use of ourselves, better use of nature, and realize a lot of values in our life. And I also want to thank everyone who's watching my channel, liking, commenting, subscribing. Thanks a lot. This channel will continue even though there's very less income from it, and YouTube is making so many changes, and even though my views are less, but I know there are so many people still watching and liking and requesting. So I'm here for you guys. I will not give up so soon, and I'll definitely making more videos in 2018, and we'll all be tuned in together and make this 2018 a really awesome year. So thanks again for tuning in, and again wish you all an awesome new year. I had a blast in Bellasio's New Year party. Had a wide range of Italian and Thai buffet and dancing, and it was awesome. I will see you guys with more 2018 videos. Take care everyone. Hope you all enjoy your new year. Take care. Bye bye.